That little finger is all broken and stuff. Okay, bye, monkey. Bye, monkey. Bye-bye. How's it going, dude?
It's gonna be mad because you don't have any popcorn.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, this is fun.
It's like, dude, do I have a bug bite? What the hell?
It's freaking out.
Now he's scratching his ass. Is he gonna eat that? No, guess not.
What is he doing?
That other monkey, like,
We came over here and he like won't stop. Oh, he eats those?
I guess so.
Maybe not.
You need braces, dude. Your teeth are all fucked up.
He looks pretty bored.
That's
Should like bite your finger off.
He's like, you don't have popcorn. I'm not interested.
Let's leave him. He's boring.
Au revoir. And he's sleeping funny. He's tanning in the shade. That's what I would do.